Hi guys, today we are learning how to transfer chats from your old Messenger account to a new phone. First, unlock your new phone and install the Messenger app if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app to begin the setup process. Make sure you log in with the same Facebook account that you used on your old phone. Since Messenger is linked to your Facebook account, using the same login will allow your chats to sync automatically. If you see the Continue with Facebook option, simply tap it and complete the sign-in process. After logging in successfully, Messenger will automatically begin syncing your conversations from your old phone. Once you're signed in, give Messenger a few moments to load your conversations. As long as you're using the same Facebook account, your previous chats will appear automatically on your new phone. After your chats have synced, you can tap the contacts or search icon in the top right corner to find someone and start a new conversation whenever you want. If you'd like to organize your conversations, simply swipe left or right on a chat, depending on your app version, and choose options like Pin or Archive. This helps keep your important chats easy to access, and that's how you can transfer your Messenger chats to a new phone. Just sign in with the same Facebook account, and your conversations will sync automatically. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more simple tutorials.